Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. So let's go and jump right into it. So crazy day for the market, guys. Historical day for the stock market. Historical month for the stock market. Like I told you guys, we know September was the worst month for all of 2022 with the stock market, and we also know October was the best month. This month, the first couple days of this month, we performed the best than we did all year long. We also had the worst month this month as well, being for the fact that we created a new low with the S&P 500 and the Dow. We also created new lows with APE and AMC as well. So let's go ahead and take a further look at what's going on, why this happened on the day where we had crazy, CPI inflation data report being reported that it came in higher than expected, which in then return should have caused the market to go down, but it actually went up. And you already know I like to pull up the little clips. I meant to have it ready for you. But just 2 days ago, what I tell you guys, regardless of what came out, what data was reported, the market was still going to go up in a bullish uproar. And it's crazy because that's exactly what happened. And it's, I'm not trying to, of course, I be wrong sometimes, but it just, some things that we say, some things that we mention, it just happened right on the money. So anyways, Dow closes 800 points higher after a historic one-day turnaround. Crazy turnaround, guys. So as we know, AMC hit a new low today as well, coming down to the mid fives, down over 5% this morning, and then end the day up over 5%. A crazy, nice little turnaround. So stock staged a massive comeback Thursday with the Dow Jones surging 1,500 points from its lows to the highest level as traders shook off another hot inflation report. The Dow Jones rose 827 points. The S&P 500 climbed 2.6%, breaking 6-day losing streak, and the Nasdaq gained 2.2%, guys. So as we know, a lot of people is wondering, hey, why is the stock market moving higher on today? Like I say, guys, it's multiple different reasons. Just like, it's multiple reasons why you get in a relationship with the person you get with, and it'll be multiple reasons on why y'all break up if y'all broke up. It's multiple reasons on why the stock market, does what it does, why it goes up, and there's much reason on why it goes down. So we're not just going to pinpoint out one particular reason on why it did what it did, because obviously we was already on the right track and already in the know. Because if you go back, I could pull it up if I need to. I was telling you guys this is exactly what was going to happen, regardless of how hot CPI inflation data report came in. It was going to still move the market in the upward trend, guys, in a bullish momentum. So with that being said, as we look here, it said what's driving the markets? The market moves higher, and they say it's a puzzle. A high inflation report would normally push up long-term interest rates and pull down stocks. That's exactly what I was just telling you guys. Usually, this will pull down the stock market. They would have dropped over 5-10% today. But like I say, guys, sometimes bad news will send the stock flying or the market flying, and sometimes good news will make it drop, being for the fact that people was already anticipating on it happening. Not saying that's the only thing, but we was already prepared for this, guys. There's a lot of different reasonings on why this is happening. So if we go ahead and take a look at it, guys, we know that September inflation report came in hotter than expected. It rose to 8.2%. And it obviously had a crazy reaction on the day. Crazy, historical moment for the market. The market has already, tech stocks, some of them down over 70-80% from their highs. Majority of them down over 30%. We talking some of the world's largest companies. So the market has been hit very hard. So even though we looking for it to come down even lower, being for the fact that the economy is just messed up right now from the government and the feds printing all that money and putting us in the situation that we're in. So that being said, guys, we know, it's still a lot that could happen in the market in a short period of time, meaning some crazy volatility, crazy spikes to the upside, market moving up 20-30% and then coming right back down and possibly creating newer lows. So be very cautious, guys, and know how to take money when you make money. But this is a time to where you should have been loaded up and getting ready to unload into strength. So as we also know, guys, retail the insiders got very rich off retail traders that we were just talking about the other day. I'm talking about making closely nearly to $1 billion, and all of them so selling off nearly at the same time frames. So AMC had a nice turnaround on today though, guys. If we could keep this momentum going into Friday with overall market crypto going a nice bullish push going into tomorrow, it'll set us up nicely for next week, because usually we would see a sell-off on Friday due to short-term investors, day traders trying to get into that cash position going into the next week, being for the fact of all the uncertainty that's still in the market. And they scared now. A lot of people is going to be on their toes, so I wouldn't be too surprised from a sell-off tomorrow. But as I'm expecting for this bullish market in October, I know, without a doubt, the market is ready to run like crazy. But the only thing that's popping up on me saying that it could possibly sell off is being for the fact that a lot of people were skeptical and, on edge about what happened today. A lot of people was left, confused, like, amazed. A lot of different words for today. But myself, I was actually prepared for it, not amazed at all. So that being said, you already know what to do. Follow your boy for more. Add me on Instagram. Get him VIP. Also, watch out for spam, guys. I never hit you up first, ask for any money, anything like that. The WhatsApp, be prepared. Look out for that. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you. We gone.